Hello there, what's up? How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Manu. I'm your brother from another mother, dropping business and investment tips for everyone out there looking to invest in the crypto market, looking to invest in the stock market, or to start up a business. This is the right place for you to come in and where you can get investment tips. I drop a video every week, so if you're new to my channel, I'll encourage you to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell and smash the like button, smash it until it cracks. And just to remind you, it doesn't cost anything. So in today's video, all we're talking about is what's going on in the stock market right now. Not just the stock market, also the crypto market. There's a whole lot of red lately, and things are beginning to look as if the stock market is about to crash, the crypto market is about to crash. As a matter of fact, people are actually losing positions, people are losing their gains, people are losing money right now. And the question every beginner is actually asking right now is, should we sell or should we buy? My aim here today is to give you tips and look for the best possible answer for yourself going forward. Now, the question I want to put to yourself, I want you to ask yourself this question: why am I invested in the stock market? Why did you choose to invest in the stock market? Why did you choose to get into crypto? Were you just coming in for quick money and get the hell out, or were you looking to invest for your future? Is this like a pension? Is this like where you want to invest your money for 5 to 10 years and then take your returns and then go into real estate or something? What is your main goal? You see, by the time you can answer your goal, you'll be able to actually understand what's really going on in the market, and then you will understand your risk tolerance and everything going on all around you. I would just like to highlight the things that are actually going on right now and why we are actually where we are in the stock market right now. This is no news. Inflation is a very, very big setback, but prices are going up. If you look around you, the stuff you used to buy before, they've all risen up. There's inflation in Europe, there's inflation in the US, there's inflation in Nigeria. Every part of the world there's inflation. So the rising cost of goods is actually telling an effect in the stock market right now. Not just inflation, we're also talking about interest rates going up, especially those invested in the US. There's so much uncertainty when it comes to interest rates. One other thing as well going on in the stock market that is really affecting investment right now is the fact that people are actually selling off at this particular point in time. This is December, 12 calendar month is up. People are actually doing their taxes right now. So definitely when there is a massive sellout, the stock market actually tends to tank. Now, the fourth thing that's actually affecting the stock market right now, we're talking about the Omicron variant. The variant itself is causing a whole lot of uncertainty for organizations. Governments are actually giving restrictions now, putting new restrictions in place to actually curb this variant from spreading around, because people do not really understand how to handle this particular variant. So this is actually telling on organizations, and this is impacting the stock market as well. So once you have all this understanding going on, you understand why the stock market is actually behaving the way it is right now. Now, back to the question we asked ourselves: is it a time for us to buy and sell? In my humble opinion, it is a time for us to actually buy more and not to sell right now, because just to face it, we're already at a point where we're losing money right now. You're losing part of your investment, you're already losing part of your profit, you're already losing part of your investment if you've not made profit, depending on the organizations you've invested in, or depending on the time you took your investment, you decided to invest. You've not made that money yet, and now it's eating your money. Why would you want to sell? Now ask yourself, before you even invested, you were going for the long run. You've done your due diligence. You've seen this organization as an organization that will be there for 5-10 years and will make massive money before you invested in this organization. Why would you just take your money right now at a loss and then abandon this organization that you know that in the next 5 to 10 years this organization will be good? So that's one thing you need to ask yourself: is this an ideal position for you to actually take losses when you know that this organization will still make money in 5 years time? Nobody understands, nobody knows, or nobody understands when the stock market will actually go back to where it was before. It may be next month, it could be in 3 months time, and everything is back to normal. And by the time you take your losses right now, By the time you want to go back in 3 months time, you'll be seeing high and then you'll be regretting. So there's no need for you to actually start regretting. Now, one strategy you need to actually do to hedge yourself against all these issues going forward is for you to actually diversify your portfolio going forward. Learn to diversify your portfolio. I've made a couple of videos about diversifying portfolio. Invest in different asset class, not just the stock market, not just crypto. You can also invest in real estate, in bonds, and a whole lot to actually save yourself or put the money better still in a business. This will actually protect you when there's issues like this. And don't forget, one other thing as well is for you to actually always have cash as a backup, because when things happen like this and you have emergency, your cash money should actually sort this problem while the stock market actually corrects itself. So that's one other thing you should actually put in place. So you should just know very well on how to actually diversify your portfolio in different asset classes to actually protect yourself from issues like this going forward. Now, one other thing I want to advise you to actually do, I know I've just mentioned that you shouldn't sell. Now, if you have money, you're in a position where you can actually buy more to reduce your average cost of investment. So this is called dollar cost averaging. Basically, it means that you are actually buying to reduce the position you've been. Like, let's say you got in when it was 10 and now it has tanked more. You can actually buy more to actually reduce your position from 10 to maybe 9 or 8. And by the time it starts shooting back up, you stand a better chance of making more money, because at this point in time, your average is actually below 10 that you actually entered in the first place. So that's a position that you should put yourself right now and see how you can make money. So in my humble opinion, this is not the right time for us to actually sell. This is a time where you should actually take advantage. If you have money, buy more or be patient. You will find that in the long run, you'll make more money going forward. I remain my humble self, Mano. And like I said, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button.